I go see police I go care to know away, or hearse I go come for no. And those who know that what is going on and not clean off the island, you're just as wrong. You cannot let fear cripple you.
I swore if I tell anyone, he's gonna dirt me. But I ain't scared no more. No more, I'm keeping this dirty secret. I ain't scared no more. That's why I come to reveal it. I've been holding it for many production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, brothers and sisters, friends and families, lovers and haters. Big up on yourself. I don't know a lion for another vlog. I better do it up and now boast now brag to give thanks and praise to the Most High, Imperial His Majesty, and the Creator of us all. You know I love to see unity over scrutiny, see? Yes man, equality, diversity, empathy, unity, strength, love, and share the food. Viewers and subscribers, in this episode, you know we're going to reason about a fan disappointed in Shenseea about a newly controversial video leak. And they ask why would she sing such a song as she have a son? You know what I mean? And also a newly appointed Chief of Defense Staff, Rear Admiral Antoinette Wemyss Gorman, appointed Zine. Yes man, it's a good look for the females, them woman power, you know? Yeah. And also we'll elaborate on this lady who lashed out on the Bobo Hill Rasta man them. So I be following this going on for a long time, and I find it very distrustful and hard to believe. Zina, I watched the video several times, and I heard she mention Janine was revealed. I never know that still so Janine did reveal and come out of her sexuality. I don't know Janine, Koffee. I still don't know if Koffee came out, but come like this lady I confirm. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, we're going to pay the bills and forward back.
Yes, this is your boy Twin Brothers from the Royal Maroon Earth, 48 Right Lane, Peckham. Big up Lion Foot TV. What you say?
Man.
Lion Foot TV.
We say we're there with the natural herbs, you know?
Yeah.
How you say?
But, so we have some herbs there, you know? Guinea hen weed. This is pepper elder, Guinea hen weed. You understand? Come and get your herbs. We have all the type of herbs. We have your sea moss, your Irish moss, your sorrel. Sorrel there for you. Cane juice.
Yeah man,
You
natural
understand?
cane juice, you know?
Come back
Good for your
now.
digesting system and give you a lot of energy, you know?
Kinky liver
Yeah,
from
man.
Gambia. Good for your circulation. You understand? You know what I'm saying?
Round leaf fern, you know? Good for anything, any mucus you have on your chest. Yeah man, I hit this, you know?
And
Round
this
leaf
one,
fern.
yeah, baobab. Where 6 times antitoxin, them glue, 6 times potassium, 6 times vitamin C, offering 50 5 calcium, than more magnesium than coconut water, and 66% more iron than spinach. Your baobab, come and get your baobab right here, right lane, Peckham. You understand? Bless up the baobab, you know?
Yeah man.
I just over
Royal
there.
Maroon, we say.
And big up Lion Foot TV.
Yanko.
For life
Yanko pick
from
it up.
Peckham.
Lion foot.
Right, yes, sir.
Yeah, man,
Stay
the
strong.
right foot, you know?
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Zine, yes man, don't forget to please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Zine, help the channel grow. Now my viewers and subscribers, we kick it off with Jamaica and the law enforcement, and I mean the soldier them. We see some videos circulate to the army and the police them a march downtown Kingston Parade. You know, a big war going down this or Dunkirk, Tel Aviv, them side there, you know. And I tell you them say stop the crime. We still say it's a chunk for step down. Yes man. Some of viewers and subscribers, as I can see in the article from the Observer, newly appointed Chief of Defense Staff, CDS, Rear Admiral Antoinette Wemyss Gorman, on Sunday toured sections of the Zone of Special Operations, ZOZO, in Parade Gardens, Kingston. During the tour, Wemyss Gorman met with security force personnel on the ground and also spoke with residents in the violent Stone area. This also Parade Gardens was declared by Prime Minister Andrew Holness on January 9 and will remain in effect after 60 days. For 60 days. Remis Gorman was sworn in as Jamaica Defence Force first female CDS last Thursday. So I want to say congratulations to Miss Gorman, and I wish her all the best and success, and we are depending on her to do a good job. See, we need the crime rate for lower in Jamaica, all over the island. And I hope she have some good strategy and plan. That's what I say, plan for the yes man to execute and make the residents feel safe and secure again. See, so moving on, my viewers and subscribers. Shenseea, Shenseea do a leak video, and a lot of people has been leaking out, bashing out. You know, me personally to give my views on it, but me still not tell nobody what to do. I want to live them life. Me just see that say, boy, you know, they could have come better with a better song, or just come plain and straight, you know what I mean? But anyway, big up Shenseea, see me. But one of the comments that were made on my video, you know, someone asks, why would Sheng sing a song like that and have a son? So you can say one of our fan that means in when a Shenseea fan asks, why would Sheng sing a song like that and have a son? Which is a good question, because you know the son, the youth Raj, very young, you see me, and he's gonna be exposed to a lot of stuff. As you can see him have social media, he's always on the media, and also have access to technology and tablets, you see me I say, and gadgets and them things. So just trust me, star. But you don't know she do her thing and she want aim to get success and crossover. So someone replied and said, you know, I was just saying the same thing. She said on IG that she don't give a F what the Caribbean people want to say. Did she really sell her soul and sacrifice her own MOTHR? So the person that said, boy, Shenseea said she don't give a F what the Caribbean people want to say. What the Caribbean people want to say. Me myself, I'm not aware of this, but the person said they saw it on Instagram, she wrote that, you know what I mean? And the person that asked, did she really sell her soul? So me personally now go elaborate on the mother part, sacrifice mother part. You see, because that is very, you know, personal and hurtful. You see, I have to pay the respect, you know what I mean? Condolence to her mom again. But that's how people are saying out there. You see me say she did sacrifice her mother. You see me what? Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think still, you know what I mean? Yes, let me know what you think in the comment section, you know what I mean, about she doing that song and having her son. You see me, you know, at least people do anything to get to the top, they don't give a damn, you know what I mean? And you can see that Shenseea, she crave for success, even though she get the success and she get it from dancehall. But now she's crossing over and singing a lot of freakiness and them things, and she say, you know what I mean, allegedly she said she don't give a damn what the Caribbean people want to say or think. She do her thing, you see me? So let me know what you think about that, my viewers and subscribers. Moving on now, earlier I make a post with a lady, I lash out on the bubble him. Up a bubble hill. You see me say, be it follow you going up, then enough of them say them a priest and this and that, Rasta man, the turban and see, then she mentioned a part where she said, it's not only Janine, Koffee and Lila Ike are gonna be exposed. There's a lot more to be exposed.
So you're gonna start seeing a whole heap of people right now reveal. You're gonna see police cart them away. You think that Lila Ike and Koffee and them and the whole reggae revival and Janine and them was the only one that's gonna be revealed?
So me know reason why I'm reiterating on this topic. Me never know say Janine did come out or Janine is gay or bi or whatever into women. Me don't know. This is new to me, but I should a lady I mentioned it while I kind of reiterate back on it and I ask, did Koffee come out and confirm her sexuality, or did Janine come out and confirm her sexuality? But according to this lady, she said it's not only Koffee, Lila Ike and Janine are gonna be exposed. There's a lot more. It's some of my viewers and subscribers, but it's really sad and disgraceful, man. You know what I mean? Right now the bubble camp split up. The maroon them split up. You see me I say, And I see Determined. Big up me shock. AKA Determined. When I see Determined cut him locks, and remember Determined says some man said them a Rasta and a cut and a walk from the back. That's why him cut off him covenant. We still need have Determined on the platform soon. Big up yourself, me shock. But recently you see Determined has been lashing out, making a lot of several posts on his Instagram and visually as well, saying boy, you know the rest of them now live clean and a be a segregation. And right now, I know I have to ask, I know enough Rasta, enough of the man them with a threat right now. You see me? Me have a personal story where someone confide and tell me that one of the Rasta man them will I done, you know? From England, yeah, but they are now in Jamaica up in the hills, the Bubble Hills. So me I say, yeah, she confide and she told me that said brother that way say you see me? Try to do the thing with the RAPE, you see me? But we're not going to elaborate on that until the right time comes. You see me I say, as your foot out I say, you might wait till it become public domain. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so that's it for now. Let me know what you think in the comment section about the 3 topics that I've touched. The newly appointed CDS, Miss Gorman, and also Shenseea says she don't give a damn what the Caribbean people want to say. Zine, and also did Janine came out and proclaim her sexuality? Me don't know. Me just ask. You see what I say? And as me I say, for the rest of the community it's very disgraceful. You know, sad. If you see there's that division and split up and you know what I mean, be a thing and go on style. I tell you, come like the world will come to a end. My viewers and subscribers, I don't know, I'm lying for another vlog where I do it on our boss now, you know. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Big up on the damn self. Saying, holy for love, Rastafari.
In support of all victims of abuse.
No more I'm keeping this dirty secret. I ain't scared no more. That's why I come to reveal it. I've been holding it for many, many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. I wish I did stay.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go, so you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.